In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable DNSSEC with Cloudflare. DNSSEC, short for Domain Name System Security Extensions, adds a layer of trust to your domain by ensuring that DNS responses haven't been tampered with in transit. Think of it as a cryptographic seal that helps protect visitors from DNS spoofing and cache poisoning. If you run a website or any service tied to your domain, enabling DNSSEC is a smart, low-effort security upgrade. First, open your Cloudflare account. Log in the way you normally do and give the dashboard a moment to load. You'll see a list of the domains you manage. From here, click on the specific domain where you want DNSSEC enabled. This takes you into that domain's overview, where you can access all the controls and settings tied to it. Next, find and click the DNS option in the left-hand menu or along the top navigation, depending on your layout. This DNS section is where your records live, and it's also where Cloudflare places the DNSSEC controls. Inside DNS, look for the Settings area. It may appear as a tab, a button, or a subsection on the page. Click Settings to reveal configuration options specific to DNS features. Within the DNS settings, locate the DNSSEC panel. You'll see a simple control to enable it. Click Enable DNSSEC. Cloudflare will process your request and display a status message. In many cases, Cloudflare handles the heavy lifting automatically and will show you that DNSSEC is activating. You might see a brief activation period as the change propagates. That's normal. Once propagation completes, the status will show as enabled, and your domain's DNS responses will be protected by DNSSEC. After you've enabled it, keep an eye on the status indicator in the same DNSSEC section. If you see it moving from activating to enabled, you're set. Propagation can take some time, so don't worry if it isn't instant. You can continue working on other parts of your site while Cloudflare finishes up in the background. A couple of tips to wrap up. If you don't see the DNSSEC option right away, make sure you're in the DNS area for the correct domain and that the page has fully loaded. Sometimes interface elements appear after a short delay. Also, if your domain was just added to Cloudflare, you may need to wait until the domain is fully active before DNSSEC becomes available. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected the right domain, went to DNS, opened settings, and enabled DNSSEC. With those clicks, your domain gains an important security enhancement that helps protect your visitors and your brand.